Learning to pronounce the K sound accurately is essential for ESL students to improve their English speaking abilities. This sound can be found in many words in the English language, and mastering it can significantly enhance your pronunciation skills. In this essay, we will explore the K sound and provide examples to help you understand how to produce it correctly. The K sound is produced by blocking the airflow at the back of the mouth with the tongue and then releasing it suddenly. To practice this sound, try saying the word ax, kt, and pay attention to how your tongue touches the roof of your mouth before releasing the sound. Here are some examples of words that contain the K sound. 1. Cat. 2. Key. 3. Cake. 4. Car. 5. Kite. In these words, the K sound is represented by the letter at the beginning or in the middle of the word. It is important to remember that the K sound is different from the S sound, which is often confused by ESL learners. Words like sen and ear, kier may sound similar, but the K sound in kier is produced by blocking the airflow with the tongue, while the S sound in air sen is produced by directing the airflow over the sides of the tongue. To further practice the K sound, try saying these sentences out loud. 1. The cat sat on the mat. 2. I need a key to open the door. 3. She baked a cake for her birthday. 4. The car is parked in the garage. 5. Let's fly a kite in the park. By incorporating these words and sentences into your daily practice, you can improve your pronunciation of the K sound and enhance your overall